This morning I kind of had a late start to my day. Usually I do heatless hairstyles, but recently I've been getting into hairstyles done using a straightener. So I was practicing this morning and I'm still quite bad. Right now I'm just having chicken rice and yeah. So my mom is going to try and curl my hair now because I told her I'm very bad at it, so she's gonna see what she can do.
Oh, this is nice! I know, I got it! I got it!
Hi guys! Look at my new nails! Guys, this coming week is so exciting. I have so many things coming. Some stuff I actually ordered quite a while ago, but I'm not sure, maybe it's because of the pandemic situation, but a lot of the deliveries are being delayed. So I have a lot of unboxing to do this week and I'll be showing it to you guys. So yeah. So now I think I'm just gonna go watch some drama. I started a new drama yesterday. I finished my 录剧 already. So now I am watching a Korean drama. I can't remember what's the title of it though. I'll put it somewhere. Yeah, I think I'll just go and watch some drama now. Slack a bit. And then I'm still considering if I want to make brownies later because I saw this person's brownies on Instagram and it looks so freaking good. So I really want to go and make some as well. My baby, I'm so fly. Oh, basically, I finished another episode of my drama. I only watched one episode, okay, and the time is now 4:24. So I'm gonna go move my body a bit because I've been such a slump. So I'm gonna go and 做一下运动. You know something very horrifying? I realized a few days ago that when I'm at home, my steps don't even hit 1,000. It's so unhealthy. Oh! Maybe that's my parcel. Coming! My item came! With the coronavirus, I feel like there should be an alternative, but I'm still asked to sign with my finger on the person's device, which is a bit... Anyways, my Apple Pencil has arrived, so I'm gonna open it. I feel like Apple deliveries, they usually arrive quite quickly, but this time my items will take a longer time to arrive because I requested for the free engraving, so I engraved my name onto my items, which is why they took a little longer than usual this time. Ouch. Why is there grass on it? I think I haven't told you guys officially, but I've been saving up to get an iPad and I finally got it. So yeah, it should come in the mail really soon, but the pencil arrived first. That's my name on it. You see that? It's my name. Oh, I like the smell. That's a really nice smell. Oh, it's heavier than I expected. I kind of like it. I'm just gonna leave it in the packaging since my iPad hasn't arrived anyway. I have quite a number of things arriving this week. I got all of them using my own money. For my iPad, it's definitely a want, not a need. So I wanted to save up my own money and get it for myself. And I finally saved enough and I bought it last week. So yeah, it should be arriving on the 21st of April. Today is 18th April. So yeah, yes! Okay, now I need to get back to what I was doing, which is to exercise. I want to go show my sister my item. There. My pencil came.
Huh?
My pencil came. Look at it. Okay, my elder sister is unamused. So I'm gonna move on to my next sister and hope for a better reaction. Okay. My Apple Pencil came. Okay, they both had the same reaction. They said so, and then after I showed them, they okay. And then my second sister's like,
I don't care about your Apple Pencil.
okay. Finished exercising, and guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna watch another episode of my drama. Okay, I'm gonna try the orchard now. I like the coconut. Is it nice? Yes. See that now I can't stop again.
No, we won't get the chance anymore.
Guys, I am so excited. Okay, so I was watching my drama and the doorbell rang. I thought it was gonna be my laptop stand I ordered so long ago, because according to the website my iPad is only going to arrive on the 21st and today is only the 19th. So I thought it was my laptop stand that was supposed to arrive yesterday, but my iPad came. I'm so happy. But my iPad case and my iPad protection sheet hasn't arrived, but let's open it.
I think we're getting into a weird area.
That's my name. Do you see it? Oh my god. Wow. Hi guys, as you know, I've been practicing doing my hair. So this is what it looks like today. It's a little bit like a lion, but I think I'm improving. So now I'm gonna go make some waffles. I'm gonna make waffles for lunch. So yeah, let's go prepare.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking now, might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth, is that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder.
Okay, and now I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour and then we can start making it. I want to make a fruit juice smoothie thing, but I also want to add chocolate, so I'm going to melt some chocolate now, and then I will also add strawberry to my drink. Let this melt.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros.
I finished drinking it. It's so yummy. But I'm so full now. There we have it. One more. Ta-da. I'm gonna add mint ice cream to my waffle. Let's eat. I don't know why I'm not even very hungry, although I didn't eat lunch. I mean, this is my lunch and it's already 4:11 p.m. Oh my god, how am I gonna have dinner? Wow, did you hear that? And now while I'm eating, I'm gonna learn how to do some stuff on my iPad because I want to use GoodNotes to do. Oh! Guys, I was talking to the camera and I realized that my dad did this to my doll. So yeah, anyways, I want to start journaling on my iPad. So I'm gonna watch some videos and learn how to do it better so that I can start doing it tonight. Although my protection sheet for my iPad is not here yet, I think I will just start. So cute. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hi guys, I know I said that I am gonna end the vlog, but I just want to say that I really wanted to make brownies this weekend and then I decided not to because I was scared that I would eat all of them. And then I just saw on my Instagram people making brownies and now I really regret not making that. I want to eat brownies too. Okay, now bye for real. Bye! I'm gonna continue watching my drama and then go to bed, but I probably will not be able to resist my drama and I'll probably end up sleeping late. Hey, that kind of rhymed. Okay, bye.